Shortcut method to find variance and standard deviation. Let yi is equal to xi minus a divided by h. This implies xi is equal to a plus h into yi. Say number 1. We know that x bar is equal to sum of fi, xi, I is equal to 1 to n divided by n is equal to sigma fi into xi. We can write a plus h yi I is equal to 1 to n divided by n. We have substituted from 1 for xi is equal to a is a constant number divided by n into sum of all frequencies I is equal to 1 to n plus h is a constant into sigma fi yi I is equal to 1 to n whole divided by n is equal to a divided by n. Sum of all frequency is nothing but as a n plus h into this is nothing but as a mean but in terms of y. So therefore we can write it as y bar. This implies x bar is equal to a plus h into y bar. Say number 2. Now variance sigma square that we are taking in terms of x is equal to summation of fi into xi minus x bar whole square I is equal to 1 to n whole divided by n is equal to sigma fi xi we can take from 1 as a plus h into yi x bar let us take from 2 because of minus sign, so we can write a minus a minus h into y bar whole square I is equal to 1 to n whole divided by n is equal to plus a minus a will get cancels. H square let us take common into summation of fi into yi minus y bar whole square I is equal to 1 to n whole divided by n is equal to h square into, what about this? This is nothing but as a variance in terms of y, that is square of sigma in terms of y. Is equal to s square divided by n square into bracket n into summation of fi yi square I is equal to 1 to n minus sigma fi yi I is equal to 1 to n whole square. We have taken variance in terms of y. Standard deviation sigma is equal to h by n into square root of n into sigma fi yi square I is equal to 1 to n minus sigma fi yi I is equal to 1 to n whole square. Exercise 15.2. Question number 1. Find the mean and variance for the data 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Solution. Mean is equal to 1 by n into sigma xi I is equal to from 1 to 8 because 8 observations are there is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 whole divided by number of observations 8 is equal to, yes, what is the sum? 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. Variance sigma square is equal to 1 by n into summation of xi square I is equal to from 1 to n minus square of mean is equal to summation of x square means square of the numbers which they have given. 6 square plus 7 square plus 10 square plus 12 square plus 13 square plus 4 square plus 8 square plus 12 square divided by 8 minus 9 square is equal to 36 plus 49 plus 100 plus 144 plus 169 plus 16 plus 64 plus 144 divided by 8 minus 81 is equal to, what is the sum of the numerator? 722 divided by 8 minus 81. After taking 8 as LCM, 722 minus 648 divided by 8 is equal to 74 divided by 8 is equal to 9.25. Second question. Find the mean and variance for the first n natural numbers. Solution. Mean x bar is equal to 1 by n into sigma xi I is equal to from 1 to n. As we know, sum of first n natural number as n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by denominator n we can keep as it is. N and n will get cancels. Therefore, mean is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Variance sigma square is equal to summation of xi square divided by n minus square of mean. As we know, sum of squares of all natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Therefore, next step is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 into n minus n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. N and n will get cancels. Then n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. When you take n plus 1 common, then n plus 1 into bracket 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1 divided by 12 after taking LCM also. Is equal to n plus 1 into bracket 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 divided by 12 is equal to n plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by 12 is equal to n square minus 1 divided by 12. Third question. Find the mean and variation for the first 10 multiples of 3. Solution. First 10 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Mean x bar is equal to 1 by n into summation of xi is equal to 10 by 2 into 3 plus 30 whole divided by 10. In the numerator, we have used formula n by 2 into a plus l is equal to 33 by 2 is equal to 16.5. Therefore, variance is equal to summation of xi minus x bar whole square divided by n is equal to 3 minus 16.5 whole square plus 6 minus 16.5 whole square plus 9 minus 16.5 whole square plus 12 minus 16.5 whole square plus 15 minus 16.5 whole square plus 18 minus 16.5 whole square plus 21 minus 16.5 whole square plus 24 minus 16.5 whole square plus 27 minus 16.5 whole square plus 30 minus 16.5 whole square divided by 10 is equal to 13.5 square plus 10.5 square plus 7.5 square plus 4.5 square plus 1.5 square plus 1.5 square plus 4.5 square plus 7.5 square plus 10.5 square plus 13.5 square divided by 10 is equal to 182.25 plus 110.25 plus 56.25 plus 20.25 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 plus 20.25 plus 56.25 plus 110.25 plus 113.25 is equal to 182.25 plus 110.25 plus 56.25 plus 20.75 plus 2.25 divided by 5, because in the numerator all numbers are 2 times, is equal to 371.25 by 5 is equal to 74.25. Question number 4. Find the mean and standard deviation for the data xi 6, 10, 14, 18, 24, 28, 30, fi 2, 4, 7, 12, 8, 4, 3. Solution. Let us take the given data. What about sum of all frequencies? N is equal to 40, Let us go to the next column, that is Fi, Xi, 6 into 2, 12, 10 into 4, 40, 14 into 7, 98, 18 into 12, 216, 24 into 8, 192, 28 into 4, 112, 30 into 3, 90. What about sum of these values? That is sigma Fi is equal to 760. Therefore, mean is equal to sum of all Fi divided by n is equal to 760 divided by 40 is equal to 19. Let us go to next column, that is xi minus x bar. 6 minus 19 minus 13, 10 minus 19 minus 9, 14 minus 19 minus 5, 18 minus 19 minus 1, 24 minus 19, 5, 28 minus 19, 9, 30 minus 19, 11. Let us take the square of these values, that is xi minus x bar whole square. 169, 81, 25, 1, 25, 81, 121. Next column is for Fi into xi minus x bar whole square. 2 into 169, 338, 4 into 81, 324, 7 into 25, 175, 12 into 1, 12, 8 into 25, 200, 4 into 81, 324, 3 into 121, 363. What about sum of all these values? Try to find out. Sigma Fi xi minus x bar whole square is equal to 1736. Therefore, variance sigma square is equal to 1 by n into summation of Fi into xi minus x bar whole square is equal to 1736 divided by 40 is equal to 43.4, and standard deviation is equal to square root of 43.4 is equal to, we can find square root of 43.4 by long division method, 6.588.